Awareness video from Arunmigu Palaniyandavar Arts College for Women. To avoid plastic bags, instead use cloth bags. From Department of Mathematics.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. Where are you going?
I go to the market.
Why using this plastic bag?
What's in it?
Cotton bag usage. Environmentally friendly. They are reusable, reducing the need for single use plastic bags and helping to minimize plastic pollution. Biodegradable. Unlike plastic bags, cotton bags decompose naturally over time, minimizing their impact on the environment. Durable. Cotton is a strong material, capable of holding heavy items without tearing or breaking easily. Breathable. Cotton allows air to circulate, which is beneficial for storing certain items like produce or damp clothing. Do not use it after this.
I will use this from now on.
Thanking you.